In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Figma. By the end, you'll be able to download a font, install it on your computer, and use it directly in your Figma designs with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to dafont.com. This site hosts a huge collection of free fonts you can browse by style or theme. Take a moment to read the font's description and license information so you know whether it's okay to use for personal or commercial projects. When you find a font you like, open its page to view examples and check that it includes the styles you need, like regular, bold, or italics. Click the download button on the fonts page. Your browser will save a compressed zip file, usually to your downloads folder. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's downloads menu or make sure pop-ups aren't blocked. Locate the zip file and extract it. On Windows, right-click and choose Extract All. On macOS, just double-click the zip and a new folder will appear. Inside the folder, look for the actual font files. Most often you'll see a TTF file and sometimes .otf files. Either is fine for most uses. Open the .ttf file to preview it, then click Install on Windows or Install Font on macOS. If the font includes multiple weights or styles, install each file so they all show up in Figma. It can help to close design apps while installing so they refresh their font lists properly. Now switch to your Figma file. Select the text tool or click on any existing text layer you want to style. In the right-hand sidebar, open the font drop-down. Use the search bar to type the name of the font you just installed. When it appears, click it to apply the font to your selected text. If the family has multiple styles, choose the weight you want from the style drop-down next to the font name. If you don't see your new font, try restarting Figma. On macOS, make sure the font isn't disabled in FontBook if you're using Figma in a browser. You may need the Figma font helper installed and running to access local fonts. And if you installed the font while Figma was open, a quick relaunch usually makes it appear. That's it. You've downloaded a font, installed it, and brought it into Figma. Save your project and consider organizing your favorite families into text styles so your designs stay consistent across files and teammates.